Are you a teenager with big dreams and even bigger ambitions? Do you want to kickstart your own business and learn the best business principles, but you just don't know where to start? Introducing Business in a Box, your all-in-one solution to teen entrepreneurship. With Business in a Box, you get a choice of sound business models across various industries, along with practical step-by-step applications so you can get your business up and running as soon as possible. You'll learn how to set your business's goals, budgets, and strategies like a pro. And everything is contained inside our handy, easy-to-read hard copy instruction manual, letting you run your business like a boss. And here's the best part. You can get Business in a Box at the low price of less than 200 Rand. Simply visit our website to place your order and join the ranks of successful teen entrepreneurs. Business in a Box, where teen dreams become business realities.